All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Adam Cool again with Coolman Group, working with Mr. Rick Stein of ROS Properties. A couple of months ago, we had purchased and picked up this property here in Hamilton Township, New Jersey. And so I'm bringing you back through again to give a conclusion to this wonderful project that we had started back in, I believe, November of 2020 here. We kind of bought the ugly house on the block, and we quickly made a lot of friends here on our little street. So we're deciding what we're going to do is have a private open house. We wound up having to put in a new driveway because the old one was so torn up and beat up and whatnot. We cleaned up some of the grounds work. We replaced all the windows. We chose to leave the original siding, but we just did a little bit of cleanup where we could. Changed the front door, the roof, and we cleaned up our garage door as well. And so come through with this with me, and I'll give you the rest of the details. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are now on the inside of our Hamilton project. As you'll see in this video, we did quite a bit of work. We added some wow. We've had the previous owners back through. They were very impressed and happy. Jokingly, we even considered, hey, would you want to buy it back? We have a wonderful 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath house where everything has been pretty much updated. We have some unusuals where we have a fairly good size accent wall. We've got original hardwood floors in here that were refinished. We've got LED lighting throughout the entire house. We've got some old school Edison looking bulbs that are LEDs. We put in a shaker style kitchen in the back with 42-inch uppers with soft close drawers and doors. We chose by design not to put in an island. Because as much as I try to put these homes together as though I was going to live here, the island to me was one of those that if I put it in, it kind of defines the space too much. So I left it where there's no island by choice, where that if the family found that they would like to put an island in, they can put it where they want to put it. As you can see, we have a much more open concept. There's no rugs. Anywhere within the home. We do have vinyl flooring that's waterproof on the lower level and in the bathrooms. But anywhere where we had original hardwood floors, we tried to bring those back. We found out after getting into the demolition that our kitchen here did not have the original hardwood floors in here. So I hope within this video you can't tell the difference, because that was the goal. We relocated our back door, so there's now just one back door to the house. And we also put it in with a much larger window size in the door itself. The casement window above the kitchen sink is nice and convenient that you can simply just crank it out with one hand. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. We are now in the backyard of our Hamilton house. Out back here, quite a bit did happen. There was lots of years of neglect of just no maintenance, no mowing the lawn, throwing out the trash, and multiple other things. Some other major things that had happened out back here was that the kitchen had a back door, and the lower level of the house also had a back door. So what we did on the back here is we removed the secondary back door on the ground level and then put the siding back in to cover that existing hole. And then the kitchen had a back door and a window, and we did a rearrange of that entire back out on the back end here as well. After some of the cleanup, we also took down a tree. I chose to leave the tree at a tabletop height because it could be, if a little bit of cleanup, could become a table out here. It is so big. We are here on the second floor of our Hamilton house. Standing in the second floor bathroom here. We did some farmhouse lighting here. We got, Home Depot vanity here. A little bit more modern fixtures, both at the faucet and the diverters. But the biggest wow that we did in this particular bathroom, where the idea is that there's a little bit of a wow when you come in the front door. It draws you in, what is that? But then to draw you in when you get up onto the second floor, the house kind of keeps giving, keeps drawing you in. So as you can see behind me, we have what's called a stacked stone. This is typically put on like fireplaces or even the exterior part of your house. but it's designed to be outside. So we put that in here, and something that's a little bit more unique. It's also great if you gotta scratch that back or something while you're in the shower. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so it's all fresh, new, and then new modern amenities, dual flush toilet, you know, keeps the water costs down. You know, we're all watching our pennies these days. Behind me, as you can see, this was one of the first tries with this one particular product. It's actually 3-dimensional, so it's not fooling you on the videos and such here. It is raised by about a ½ an inch off the wall. It was some extra little splash that we put into this particular home, something that, you know, can be talked about. And it's in my opinion, it's a 50-50 that some will like it and some may not like it. But you know, it was, again, it's the walk in the front door and the question comes up, what is that? You know, and wow. So in conclusion, again, we've got a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Everything has been updated, central air, original hardwood floors, nice open concept in the main living space. You know, you saw in the bathroom that we've got some nice amenities up there. The house has a 1-car garage and a basement that's about half of the house itself downstairs. So again, thank you so much for your time. Again, RLS Properties with Mr. Rick Stein and Kuhlman Group with myself, Adam Kuhl, KUHLMAN Group. Find us on the web. Again, we are always looking for new projects and deals to get into. We're avid investors, avid realtors, you know, and we enjoy what we do. We love putting fabulous homes back together again for the general public. And if you got something you need help or advisement or consultations in what to do, not to do, give us a ring. We're in the Mercer County and Pennsylvania areas, and we'd love to talk to you. So thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.